नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल फाइन, हैप्पी इन हाउस, डूइंग योर होमवर्क प्रॉपर, गुड. ओके, टुडे वी विल गो फॉर लेसन 9. द्वित्व व्यंजन. हाफ द, व पे छोटी की मात्रा वी, हाफ त एंड व. द्वित्व. हाफ व, य पे अंक की मात्रा यन, ज न. व्यंजन. द्वित्व व्यंजन. द्वित्व मीन्स टू. द्वित्व मीन्स टू. व्यंजन you know consonant. Okay, व्यंजन you know that is consonants. So द्वित्व व्यंजन means some word will be there where two letter will be together. One letter we are using two time. That is called द्वित्व व्यंजन. Like many time when I will teach, I will say na, this is half the and full the, half sa, full sa. So that is one will be half and one will be full. Using that word, using that letters, when we are making the word, that is called द्वित्व व्यंजन. So today we will read that only, how to make द्वित्व व्यंजन and how to do separate द्वित्व व्यंजन. जब दो समान वर्णों अक्षरों को जोड़कर एक साथ लिखा जाता है तो उन्हें द्वित्व व्यंजन कहते हैं. सो व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, व्हेन टू सेम लेटर्स आर ज्वाइंड दे आर कॉल्ड ज्वाइंट लेटर्स. द्वित्व व्यंजन को पढ़ते समय पहले अक्षर पर जोर दिया जाता है. And when we are reading the द्वित्व व्यंजन, first half letter we will say little pressure and second one little slow we will say, like सिक्का, पत्ता. Okay, so पत्ता, ta more pressure we are giving and ta little slowly we are saying. सिक्का, so ka we are giving the pressure and ka slowly we are saying. Okay, so lot of word like that. So when two same letter are joined, they are called joint letters. While pronouncing the joint letters, the sound of the first letter is stressed. Okay, means little more pressure we will give than half letter and second letter little slow we will say. See here, some words are there. Okay, some words are there, we will read. So here we will read some द्वित्व व्यंजन. Okay, some example we will see. What is this first letter? Pa plus half the. In any letter, if any letter is there and down one slash is there, see here on the one small slash is there na, means in Hindi that is a half letter. Okay, in Hindi that is a half letter. So pa plus half the, pat. Full ta, a की मात्रा, पत्ता. पत्ता means leaf. Okay, so pa, half the, full ta, a की मात्रा, पत्ता. पत्ता means leaf. See here how they have written, pa, half the, full ta, a की मात्रा, पत्ता. So this type, because here ta letter they have used two time. Okay, ta letter we have used two time, पत्ता, and that will come in a द्वित्व व्यंजन. उ, हाफ ल, फुल ल, बड़ा उ की मात्रा, it's become उल्लू. It's become उल्लू. See here how we have written, उ, हाफ ल, फुल ल, बड़ा उ की मात्रा. See here, on la letter down slash is there, means that is a half letter and pronunciation will be ullu. First letter fast we are saying and second letter little slow we are saying, ullu. Ba, half la, full la and two matra is there, two badi ki matra, one choti ki matra before the letter and one badi ki matra. Okay, so it's become billi. ba पे छोटी की मात्रा बी, हाफ ल, फुल ल and बड़ी की मात्रा, it's become बिल्ली. Same thing, b half ch full ch a की मात्रा, it's become बच्चा. Okay, it's become बच्चा. So b half ch full ch a की मात्रा, pronunciation become बच्चा. So if any letter you see down slash is there, that is half letter. Okay, and when we are writing here, see b half ch full ch a की मात्रा. So you should know how to write half letter. Okay, see here how they have written. La, normal la, one line will be there. Here half la they have written, there is no line, only turning is there. See here, and la there is no line. Maximum when we are writing the half letter, after making the any round, one line will be there na, that line will go when you are writing half letter. See here in patta, one full ta turn is there and one line is there. Half the only turning is there, there is no line. Okay, so one half the there is no line, and full ta line is there. Same thing, la, one line is missing. Okay, full la line is there, half la line is missing. Same thing, billy also, see la letter, one la there is no line. Second la, see here full la is there na, line is there. Here there is no line. Cha letter also same thing. See here cha, one line is there, but here first cha there is no line because that is a half letter. So it's easy to identify. And how to pronounce, we see patta, ullu, billi, bachcha. We have to read like that. Okay, see here how we are going to make some new words. What is this? Half ka. And what is this? Full ka. Half ka and full ka. For making the word, when you are writing, it will look like this. Half ka, full ka. Okay? Half cha, full cha. When you are writing, it will look like this. See, you have to write like this. Pa, half ka, full ka, a की मात्रा. Pakka. Sa, half cha, full cha, a की मात्रा. Become saccha. So now you understand? If it is like this, how you have to write. Okay? If slash is there, full letter is there, when you are making the word, how you have to write the half ka. Okay, this lesson is teaching half ka. When you are making the word, how you have to write. See here in cha letter slash is there, but when you are making the word, this line and slash will go, only the turn is there and full cha is there. Same thing here, cha also, full cha and slash is there, but when you are making the word, that one line has gone. In ka letter also, ka is there, slash is there, but when you are making the letter, that ka turning has gone. So you should know when you are writing the half letter how it will be. Next, see here we are reading some letters. This also you have to complete in your book. Cha, half ka, full ka, a की मात्रा. Chakka. Okay. Cha, half ka, full ka, a की मात्रा. Become chakka. Chakka. Dha, half ka, full ka, a की मात्रा. Dhakka. You also pronounce, so you will learn how to pronounce. Okay. See here, half ka and full ka, how I have written? Same, you have to copy also. Ma, half ka, full ka, a की मात्रा. Become makka. Ha, half ka, full ka, a की मात्रा. Hakka. Ba, half cha, full cha, a की मात्रा. Bachcha. Ka, half cha, full cha, a की मात्रा. Become कच्चा. प, half ta, full ta, a की मात्रा. Become पत्ता. ब, half का, full का, a की मात्रा. बक्का. Okay. So like this you have to write and you have to pronounce. One more we will read. Chakka. Dhakka. Ma, half का, full का, a की मात्रा. Become मक्का. हक्का. बच्चा. कच्चा. पत्ता. बक्का. Okay. So when in your exam it's coming this part like ba plus cha plus a ki matra, if coming like this and they're saying make as a word, you have to write this one. So that moment you should know how to write half letter. And suppose if this one is coming chakka, dhakka, makka, hakka, and in paper it's saying just separate the word, then this part you should write, okay, this part cha plus ka plus a ki matra, and then that moment this center what letter is there, that will not come. This full letter you have to write and down you have to put the slash. So it's looking very easy, but you have to keep in mind how to separate the word and how to join the word. Okay children. Next we will go, इन शब्दों को पढ़िए और उच्चारण कीजिए. ओके, इन शब्दों को पढ़िए और उच्चारण कीजिए मीन्स read the words and pronounce them. ब half cha, full cha, a की मात्रा. What's become? बच्चा. गुब्बारा. गु half ब, full ब, आ की मात्रा रा. गुब्बारा. पी half ला, आ की मात्रा पिल्ला. मक्का. म हाफ क, फुल क, आ की मात्रा मक्का. र हाफ स, फुल स, बड़ी की मात्रा रस्सी. ढ हाफ क, फुल क, न ढक्कन. च हाफ म, फुल म, एंड च चम्मच. दिल्ली. दी हाफ ल, फुल ल, बड़ी की मात्रा दिल्ली. गुड्डा. पत्ता. बिल्ली. हड्डी. Okay children, so like this you have to read, and in your assignment this full page you just copy in your classwork, okay, and do 2-3 times reading practice. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.